Hello today. Let's talk about how to use a power pack, a jump starter. This here is a jump starter, JFE GWO, JFGWO, and it comes with 8,250 ampere power. This is a 300 psi heavy duty jump starter and an air compressor in one. This device we can use to jump start our car if we have a dead battery or a low voltage battery. That means if we have a battery inside our car, we can have a look at the battery's voltage. And if our voltage is underneath 12 volt or is going down every time, that means here's 12.4, 12.46, 12.45, and it goes down, it goes in the lower section. That means if there's not enough power to start your engine of your vehicle, you have to jump start your vehicle. In this case, you can use such a device here. It's small and portable. And it comes with a lot of features which helps us to protect ourselves and our car. That means the first thing is we have a reverse polarity protection. That means we are ready for a connection, for example, and on our battery, we have two poles. One plus pole, one minus pole. Both are on the top side of your battery, where are the battery clamps of your vehicle are. So if you now see my multimeter is in plus area, if I now reverse these clamps, these crocodile clamps, you will see there is a minus. That means this is reverse polarity. That means the red one is plus, the black one is minus. Here that it is plus, that's minus. Black is minus, red is plus. So if we are going to perform a reverse connectivity, there comes an information. Are you ready? So here we are. Do not start, wrong connection. That is a really good feature that will bring us and safety with it, that we are going to not start the engine. So we have to connect it at the right side. So let's try this again. We have here the protection of reverse polarity, of course, but we have more connection and security stuff with that machine. That means if we go here and switch it on, it will hold the energy in it. It will only pump the energy into the battery if it is necessary. That I will show you now here. Look at 91%, 12.43. No power is now consumption. No power is now delivering. Okay. The other features are overheating protection, overcurrent protection, and so on. That means you have here a system which comes with a big safety stuff with it. So now you can see I docked the plus on the plus cable onto it here, and the minus on the minus. You can also perform this on the engine block, okay, the minus, because all the chassis is minus on our car. Okay, now in that time, if we perform the ignition switched on in the vehicle, this power pack will deliver the ampere into this system, and then it can jump start our car because of this. If you have a completely dead battery, then you can make a force start. That is possible if you push on the force start button, and now it will deliver us directly. You can see 16 voltage now. Okay, it delivers 16 voltage now. So now we have the power to restart an engine without the battery is built in. So in this case, you can remove the battery, the dead battery, and use this clamp, the plus clamp, get this on the plus clamp or on the vehicle for the battery, and the minus on the minus of the battery clamp. And the battery is missing in the vehicle. That's possible with this state of force start. Now directly it will deliver all the time 16 voltage into the system and hold this for a long time. That means you can start your engine, you can drive a little bit with your car for emergency case. That's how to perform and to use such a jump starter like that here. Really cool and safe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.